You need more for sure. For sure, you need more.
Don't do this at home.
Bro, I had no idea that X could explode.
Oh no, Ella, turn the water off! Turn the water off! Turn the water off!
Guys, the granny in this next clip is the same one who did this a day earlier.
I found out the hard way the last time that I tried this.
What am I supposed to do?
Nah, this last one is crazy.
Camp! Oh! Camp! Run! Oh! Oh!